Activision Blizzard's acquisition by Microsoft for $69 billion blocked by UK. On Wednesday, British regulators announced the blocking of Microsoft's all-cash purchase of video game maker Activision Blizzard, valued at $69 billion. This move thwarts the largest tech deal in history over worries that it would stifle competition in the fast-growing cloud gaming market. The Competition and Markets Authority (CMA) said in its final report that the only effective remedy to the substantial loss of competition is to prohibit the merger. Both companies have vowed to appeal. Opposition and scrutiny. The all-cash deal faced strong opposition from rival Sony and was also being scrutinized by regulators in the United States and Europe over fears that it would give Microsoft control of popular game franchises like Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, and candycrush. CMA concerns. The UK watchdog's concerns centered on how the deal would affect competition in cloud gaming, which involves streaming games to tablets, phones, and other devices. This technology frees players from the need to buy expensive consoles and gaming computers. Martin Coleman, the chair of the Competition and Markets Authority's independent expert panel investigating the deal, stated that cloud gaming has the potential to change the industry by giving people more choice over how and where they play. This means that it is vital that we protect competition in this emerging and exciting market, he said. Microsoft's response. Microsoft expressed its disappointment and signaled it wasn't ready to give up. We remain fully committed to this acquisition and will appeal, President Brad Smith said in a statement. He added that the watchdog's decision rejects a pragmatic path to address competition concerns and discourages tech innovation and investment in the United Kingdom. We're especially disappointed that after lengthy deliberations, this decision appears to reflect a flawed understanding of this market and the way the relevant cloud technology actually works, Smith said. Activision's response. Activision fired back, saying it would work aggressively with Microsoft to reverse this on appeal. Regulators' findings. Regulators had dropped concerns last month that the deal would hurt console gaming, saying it wouldn't benefit Microsoft to make Call of Duty exclusive to its Xbox console. The watchdog said Wednesday that it reviewed Microsoft's proposals to ease competition concerns in considerable depth, but found those solutions would require its oversight, whereas preventing the merger would allow cloud gaming to develop without intervention. Microsoft already has a strong position in the cloud computing market, and regulators concluded that if the deal went through, it would reinforce the company's advantage by giving it control of key game titles.